So there's a lot of debate as to why chiropractic needs technology. One side of the fence will say chiropractic does not need technology because, we do everything with our hands. And that is the basis of chiropractic, the adjustment. It's, how the profession started, and it is what has carried it through to this point. But there's one problem with the way it's been carried through to this point, is that still only about 12% of the population, this is the accepted statistic, only about 12% of the population uses chiropractors. Over 80% of the population has conditions that chiropractic would help with. Why are only 12% still considering chiropractic? Well, number of different reasons, but my point in discussing this is not to belabor all the reasons why this is still the way it is. It's to offer up the solution to that. New capabilities, new technology, new things that can attract patients to a chiropractic practice, like high-end tech, are what is going to increase that utilization rate. And really, to me, some chiropractors would say that's not the way, but the way that has been tried so far has not brought that utilization rate up any appreciable amount. So what's the definition of insanity? Doing the same thing and expecting something different to result from it. Well, we got to change that up. What I've done to change that up is I introduced technology in my practice a number of years ago, and I started realizing that all the people that wouldn't come and see me as a chiropractor because they don't believe in chiropractic, or their friend told them that it's quackery, or their doctor said don't go, or somebody said it wouldn't work, or somebody had a bad experience, and bad experience travels a heck of a lot more than good experience. All those people wouldn't consider going to chiropractic because of all the bad things they have heard about it. But when they hear about a technology, like the first thing I introduced was laser, they started hearing, oh, laser helps with joint pain, laser helps with inflammation, laser can do this, can do that. They started coming into me for laser, some of them not even realizing I was a chiropractor. And in fact, at times it led to tense moments where, oh, you're a chiropractor? I don't want to see a chiropractor. I heard about this laser thing that you do, and that seems interesting to me, but, I don't want to see a chiropractor. They didn't have much choice because I'm the one doing it. But what ended up happening, and especially with what we do now, it's developed a robotic laser-enhanced spinal decompression system and a few other pieces of technology that we use in the office. That fixes things that no other chiropractor could do with their hands. No other physiotherapist could do with exercises. No massage therapist could do with soft tissue work. It's just when tissue has reached the limitation of matter, you need the technology to bump up the results. There's no other way to do it. You can adjust and adjust and adjust and adjust. It's going to be the same thing. Might work for a short period of time, 2-3 days. And this is what we hear too, is, well, I went to a chiropractor for a long time, gave me 2 or 3 days of relief, but it never really stuck. Why? Because the technology was necessary to get the better results. The technology can do things to the tissue that the hands can't. Laser can increase circulation. Laser can heal soft tissue. Decompression can actually decompress discs. Now, especially with the targeted robotic laser, we just got some research out that actually proved the entire theory that I was working with when I developed the robotic laser enhanced decompression. Quickly, we were able to achieve 55% average increase in disc height at the level we were targeting, and at the levels that were decompressed without laser, that weren't targeted by the laser, we achieved a 20% increase in disc height. So 20% increase in disc height where the laser wasn't targeting, 55% increase in disc height where the laser was targeting, proving the fact that the laser has an incredible effect on combined decompression. So, what is the final thought about all this? Patients that are not going to consider going to a chiropractor because they don't believe in chiropractic or whatever reason that is, will consider going to you when you have a piece of technology that piques their interest, that they have faith in. They will sadly often have more faith in that technology than they will have in you at the beginning. And what that does, though, about 80% of them, if you work things right, 80% of them will come and start getting adjusted. So, how do we increase the utilization rate of chiropractic on this planet? I think I just gave you the answer. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. And follow through with it. Add technology to your practice. Enough said.